Have you ever wondered how Coca-Cola manages to produce millions of bottles every single day? It's a fascinating process, built on precision and automation. Welcome to the world of high-speed bottling. Coca-Cola's production lines are engineering marvels, ensuring consistent quality and massive scale. The sheer scale is astounding. Globally, millions upon millions of Coca-Cola bottles are produced daily to meet the incredible demand. The process involves several key stages: preparation, bottle creation, filling, sealing, and meticulous quality control. Let's look at the beginning stages. Everything starts with the two main components: highly purified water and the secret concentrated syrup, meticulously prepared before mixing. Water undergoes a rigorous multi-stage purification process to ensure absolute purity and consistency, vital for the signature Coca-Cola taste. The concentrated syrup is prepared according to the legendary secret formula, ready to be blended with the treated water. Next, the containers themselves are created or prepared, undergoing continuous quality checks to ensure they can withstand carbonation and transport. For plastic PET bottles, small preforms are heated and rapidly blown into the final bottle shape right on the production line, a marvel of mechanical speed. Every bottle, whether newly formed or glass returned for reuse, is meticulously inspected for structural integrity and cleanliness before filling. This is where the magic happens. The purified water and syrup are combined, carbonated, and accurately dispensed into the awaiting bottles. The two main components are combined in precise ratios to create the signature Coca-Cola beverage mixture, ready for the next step. Carbon dioxide gas is injected into the liquid under pressure, giving Coca-Cola its characteristic fizz and refreshing bite. In a blur of motion, sophisticated rotary filling machines dispense the exact volume of Coca-Cola into each bottle at incredibly high speeds. Immediately after filling, the bottles are sealed airtight to retain carbonation and then receive their iconic branding. Caps are automatically placed and sealed onto the filled bottles, ensuring the product remains fresh and carbonated until opened. The finished bottles pass through a labeling machine, where the globally recognized Coca-Cola labels are precisely applied at speed. Before leaving the factory floor, every single bottle undergoes multiple final checks to guarantee it meets the brand's high standards. Automated vision systems and sensors check everything from fill volume and cap alignment to labeling quality, rejecting any bottles with flaws. The perfect bottles are grouped together, packaged into cartons, trays, or crates, and prepared for palletizing and warehousing. From the bottling plant, these millions of bottles embark on their journey to reach store shelves and consumers around the world, completing the cycle of production.